来看美国真出名保守派的网青查理·寇克，昨去犹他州的大学演讲，刷去互请断死。因为伊伫总统大选小挺川普，白宫嘛随宣布讲要降半期时间来哀悼。川普嘛讲，这是美国的黑暗时刻，会赶紧抓到凶手。
现场目击者所翕的画面，会当看到本来广场规拢是学生甲民众，伫听到枪声了，大家赶紧走。号称写到的是31岁政论家、网络的评论员查理·寇克。伊迄天接受学生团体邀请去学校演讲，无想讲有人对伊开枪，造成伊不幸死亡。寇克是态度正明显的保守派，除了支持宪法第2修正案有情的权利，也几多遍伫大选时阵公开为川普镇压，也有其他共和党的候选人徛台。除了共和党过半数的众议院伫全议会议默哀，川普也下令白宫降半旗。
And we take comfort in the knowledge that he is now at peace with God in heaven. Our prayers are with his wife, Erica, the 2 young, beloved children, and his entire family, who he loved more than anything in the world. We ask God to watch over them in this terrible hour of heartache and pain. This is a dark moment for America.
外电报道。清朝是伫大约200码，也就是182公尺外开枪，只个若射一枪就射到寇克的颔棍啊。代志发生了，调监视器发现，虽然有翕到嫌犯，不过画质正无清楚，看无伊的面。
Shortly after the shooting, we did have a suspect in custody, George Zinn, but he was released from custody after we identified that he did not match the shooting suspect and was not an accurate person of interest. However, he has been booked into the county jail by Utah Valley University Police Department for obstruction of justice.
这么除了当地警方加联邦调查局等单位继续伫咧抓人，也呼吁民众提供线索。案发地点的犹他州的山谷大厦宣布，包括线上加实体上课，也有行政的相关会议，全部拢暂时取消，一直到有进一步的通知。公司新闻徐嘉玲编译。